Hey guys, this is my first video and I'm doing it on Keynote to Totten. I have got a camera recording this right now. I'm getting a PVR for Christmas, so bear with me. Yeah, please like and subscribe my videos and hope you enjoy it. Starting the video. Also, I've got a friend here with me. He's also got a YouTube channel. Funky20418. Look at his videos. Some of them are pretty freaky, but you know.
We need to bring right this dark ray.
Alright, oh, pro tip. Look at this, see this? You shall, watch this, look. This is a pro tip right here. See, if you look here, if you see a shadow coming up, say it was a zombie or something like that, like this, like see? So you see his shadow there? That's how you know zombies there.
Sure, leave it up to me to kill them all.
Yep. Oh, good point. Let's get funky. So, round one's complete. Round one's complete. What you shooting at?
My weapon is low on honor.
Weapons low on honor? What the hell? Ammo? Oh, if I said honor, I was like, what the hell?
Gotta get some more rounds.
I need to get some ammo.
Claire, I need more ammo or we're
See,
going
look, pro
down.
tip there, right there, see? Damn it. So, don't be doing that either. Ooh, don't be doing that, folks.
Wonder if they'll even know what hit them.
I wonder if they'll even know. I'll whip your head, boy. You know that I will. Yeah, you there, Funky? Watch out behind you.
Get paid. Two of my favorite things.
To my oh, what's that? Oh, that's ammo?
Not on this day, unless it's sold.
Bam. Yeah. No, I'll open the first door actually. Opened it. Box?
They're annihilation.
I don't have it. Right, wait until I can get it right. Yeah. Oh. But the box is over there. You can't run my box. What? Give me parts. Don't do the phony walk. Oh, another pro tip. Look this way while you are building barriers. Also in this video we'll be showing you a glitch with hellhounds later on in the video, so stay tuned. You got up there, Ian? Do you? Oh, you got oh well I'll bet you I'll get a teddy bear. Can you? Alright. Round up. Oh shit, it's round 4 already. We're going up to here. Yeah, round 4 last time we had the power on, didn't we? I got enough, right? Yo, what's this? Why is there a free roaming zombie? I'll be so pissed. Yeah, spray gun. Oh, ho, ho, ho. I know, I am. We're going dumb points. Damn it. Nope, no. Kaboom. Sexy ass voice. Love you. It's probably not. That's gonna be terrible, is it? Oh, this is right. I'll just get rid of it, right? mind.
Open up on him now.
Get another box to move it.
No?
Yes. I can.
Well, let me get more points. Okay, we're on round 5. Wait, where's the dogs not coming?
Let me get the last box because like you've got really good guns. I don't.
Right. You know, it might not even be the last box. Wow. What's that? What's that?
You have no chance.
Oh, it's the kill.
It's the kill.
Why does that not work? I'm just sitting there. What'd you get? Dump. Oh my goodness, right, I'll just get rid of it. Come on. Hurry up, get rid of it. Finally, right, come on. I get my points back, by the way, if I do that. Come on. I'll open this door. Door's open, door's open. Door's open.
Why does it all...
This is one shot, one kill till round 10. This pistol.
Yeah. Pro tip, one shot, one kill to round 10.
I can't believe you got the ray gun. Like,
Funny thing is, I'm not done yet. Oh, it should be dogs.
will be us, it's dog.
Uh-oh.
The box is either gonna be in the alley or somewhere that way because it's not in the theater.
Okay. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, gee. Whew.
Quad.
Scare stuff right there. That was 2 shots, 1 kill. Oh, right. I'm doing pretty good here. What's that?
You get points for that. You get, they like rebuild the barracks, but you get points for it.
Oh, I thought I was wondering what it was there. Do you get points for it?
Yeah, you got like 200 or something. It's not
Well,
as good as Kaboom, like, but...
it works. It's good. It's effective.
Worst nightmare.
Where's that man? Running around where the zombies at. Double points is right there. I got double points.
Yo, could you do me a favor? Oh, it doesn't matter, I'll do it.
What? Watch out, watch out!
Can you do the
Well, can I do what?
meteor blade from the first room?
I don't know what it is. You don't want to watch out?
I don't know. Do you want to watch my back?
Dude.
Did you use your ray gun?
Yeah, my Galil's is reloaded. Yo, what the fuck you think you're doing? Alright, come on. I should be dogs. Why? Come on, you open this door. Shit.
I did open it.
Oh, this one? Alright, whoops.
Yeah, I opened it.
I don't even know.
That's my grenade.
Alright, come
Double
on.
voice.
Alright, this is the... Are we going to do this? Right, right. It's open, it's open, it's open. Come on. Box. Box.
Oh, you noob, you didn't need it.
Oh, I'm not getting it.
I'm gonna waste my monkeys because you get max ammo at the end there.
You sure?
Thank you.
There, it's done. Does the monkey bombs even work for this?
No.
Soon.
I'm out of ammo from the thing.
Yo, reload.
Don't get it yet.
Hey, player.
What
Drop
is
the
it?
Yes.
Get it.
Oh, what's this up for?
No.
Get it, hurry up!
Max ammo. Oh, dressings hungry.
Don't waste it. Leave it like that now. Like, just leave it because we might need it.
We shall see the glitch in a minute. Folks, ladies and gentlemen. Watch out, dude.
Oh my god.
I don't know if I can get you.
What?
Jokes.
Also a monkey. Oh, I have a monkey.
What?
Excellent play stuff, kind of fun.
not moving.
Oh, your commands approved. You got lit up.
That's the kill. What the hell? Did you answer? Yes, boss.
Raygun and Commando.
Double points?
Double points.
Right, turn on the bar now.
Shoot him up.
Right, you go get Jug.
I shall go get Jug.
Shit, gunner slugs.
Basically, we both got the Raygun.
Yeah.
Because you always feel like you're never going to get the Raygun after someone else has got it, don't you?
Yeah. There was dead bodies here. Oh, you like that, Mr. Zombie? Oh, yeah, bitch. What's up with your eyes? What's up with your eyes? What you looking at, fool?
Started, right?
Yep, I do.
Oh,
Actually,
God.
dude, you done?
Yeah, I got the Raygun now.
Oh, dude.
Yes, right.
What the hell happened?
Eat that, you
How'd you get
dead.
done?
I keep forgetting that I don't have Juggernaut.
Well, get it, dude.
I know I can't live without Juggernaut. Juggernaut's my life, yo.
Oh, yeah. Feel it.
See if you just went down there, I would have flipped. Where are you? Have you got enough for Jug? Where are you? Have you linked the teleporter?
No, it needs to be linked to the other side.
Alright, come
You
on.
go get it, you've got Jug, I'm going to stay here and get points.
What? I don't like going by myself.
I hate it, do you?
Yeah. Got it.
Wait, I'm going to ditch you now, so bye.
Don't.
Only joking! Only joking!
You better not have. You would have been in for it, like, all behind you did.
Right, I'm running the straight train out there.
Fighting.
Oh, you might wanna.
Leave me alone! Stop stealing my kills!
Sorry.
Blow up. Boom! Shakalaka-laka.
Watch out in front of us, dude.
Where did I die? I died
Mop
here.
up, mop up, mop up, mop up. Mop up.
And I can't do it. I'll run a race train. Dude, I don't have Jug, so that's not gonna work. Wait, can I get Jug? Yeah, I'm gonna run up and get Jug.
I'm out of ammo from my Galileo.
Stay dead, cheesehead.
It's only around 10. Oh. I just wanted about. Did you? Right, good. Right, come on up here, mop lapping. Dude, I'm out of ammo for my Galileo. I might box for my Gal. I hate Galileos. They're just so terrible, like.
But really low ammo, it's unbelievable.
I don't know, it's so
Yo,
bad.
we don't need to do a map lap, we've got crawlers.
Do I?
Yeah. We've
Don't.
got one crawler, so leave him. Oh, he died because of the smoke of one of them.
No. Don't we're on to 11. 10 is. Oh crap! Right, do glitch. This is the glitch. Here, hopefully it works. Hopefully I'm in the right spot. Please work. It hasn't worked for me. It has not worked for me.
I don't know yet. Don't have to work for me either. Yes, it worked. It worked
It
for
has
you?
nope.
It worked for me, well.
Well, look, that's the glitch there. See where he's in? He can't get hit by them.
I'll prove it, look.
Look, see, look at them all there. Look at them all there, sitting there. It's the glitch. Oh yeah, it's worked for me by the looks of it.
He's the last one, I think.
We get max ammo for it. I get.
Right, reload.
Right, I got
The
it.
ship
I
is
reload.
now
Right, come on.
ammo. Glorious.
Come on, hurry up quickly. Just get it.
Back when I do it.
Galileo's so rubbish, like.